In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message in Slack using threads. Replying in a thread is one of the simplest ways to keep your Slack conversations clear and organized. Instead of posting a new message into a busy channel and mixing different topics together, a thread keeps your response attached directly to the original message. That makes it much easier for everyone to follow the discussion, especially when a project has multiple updates happening at the same time. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign into your workspace in a web browser. Then go to the channel or direct message where the message you want to respond to is located. Once you find that message, move your mouse over it. When you hover over the message, Slack will display a small floating toolbar near the upper right area of that message. This toolbar gives you quick access to several actions, including the one we need for threaded replies. Next, look for the reply in thread icon in that floating menu. It usually appears as a speech bubble style icon. Click that button to open the thread composer. As soon as you click it, a dedicated thread panel will appear on the right side of the Slack window. This side panel is where the conversation related to that specific message will live, separate from the main channel feed. Now move down to the input field at the bottom of the thread panel. You'll see the reply area where you can type your response. Click into that box and enter your message just as you would with a normal Slack message. If needed, you can also include file attachments there, which is useful when you want to share supporting documents or additional context without cluttering the main conversation. When your reply is ready, press enter on your keyboard or click the send icon to post it. Your message will now appear neatly nested underneath the original message inside the thread, helping keep the workspace clean and easy to follow. There's also a useful option to know about here. If you want your threaded reply to stay organized in the thread, but also be visible to everyone in the channel, you can check the box that says also send to the channel before you send it. That way, the thread remains intact while the larger group is still made aware of your response. And that's it. You now know how to reply to a specific message in Slack using threads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.